Welcome back to Product Critique, where we explore the best products on the market. Today, we're diving into a must-have for graduation season, the Nezyo 30-piece flower and butterfly DIY set. Perfect for adding a personal touch to your graduation cap, this kit promises to make your special day even more memorable. If you're looking to stand out during your graduation ceremony, look no further than the Nezyo 30-piece flower and butterfly DIY set. This set includes everything you need to craft a stunning cap that reflects your unique style and personality. Let's talk about what makes this set the best choice for decorating your graduation cap. You get 18 exquisite paper flowers in a variety of colors and styles. From elegant sunflowers to classic roses, each flower is meticulously crafted from high-quality cardstock. But that's not all. The kit also includes 12 3D butterfly stickers, adding a whimsical touch to your cap. These stickers are made from durable metallized paper, ensuring they stay vibrant and beautiful throughout your graduation day. Beyond its decorative appeal, the Nezyo set encourages creativity and imagination. Assembling these flowers and butterflies is not just a craft activity but a chance to express yourself on a day that celebrates your achievements. Imagine walking across the stage with a cap that tells your unique story. Whether you prefer a bold statement with sunflowers or a more subtle elegance with roses, this kit allows you to design a cap that reflects your journey. Customers rave about the ease of use and the impressive quality of these decorations. Each piece is carefully designed to attach securely to your cap without the need for additional glue, making it hassle-free. In conclusion, the Nezyo 30-piece flower and butterfly DIY set is your go-to choice for creating the best small paper flowers for graduation caps. It's not just about decorating, it's about making your graduation day truly unforgettable. That wraps up today's review. If you're interested in adding a personal touch to your graduation cap, check out the link in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to Product Critique for more reviews on products that enhance your everyday life. Until next time.